To revoke or reset a WhatsApp link, open the WhatsApp app. Then you head on to locate the very group you want to change or revoke or reset its link. So let's tap on this group. Then you head on to tap on the group name at the top, and you scroll down, and then you tap on invite via link. So here you see the option to reset link. So when you tap on it, it's going to reset the link to a new link entirely. So people who have the previous link, even if they click on it, it will not be able to grant them permission to join the group. So let's tap on it. But before then, notice the current link. It ends with 53x. So let's reset it. Tap on reset link again. Okay, so the previous link has been reset and a new invite link has been created. Now, can you see the new link which ends with capital A, capital D, 6? So we have successfully changed the group link, and even if you had the previous link, you would not be able to join the group because we have reset it. If you got value in this video, do well to like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out of subsequent content. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.